G'day, how you doing? Thanks for coming back. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you people that may have celebrated St. Patrick's Day. You'll be seeing this after the day, but today is actually St. Patrick's Day. I must say I've got a Guinness in the back, in the boot, and looking forward to a good weekend away. 2 nights. We've got a bit of a plan, but it's not too sure because the weather, this cloud up behind us here, there's all of it, it's all over the place, and it could be, who knows, it could be wet, might not be, and we don't know whether the bike could actually get through where we're planning to go. But come along, let's see if we can do this, or whether who knows what. Let's see. Looking, you know, if you look up there, and you got that rain coming through. It is windy. I've experienced wind before, but not like this. Makes you want to hide away. Escape the wind. There ain't no wind down here. You know, like sitting here right now, you know, you look at all the tussock and stuff, it's just blowing like nasty as hell. It's so windy. But underneath here, where I am right now, and I'm doing it now. Probably quite self-explanatory. The weather has set in before we can see the hills and the mountains and all that goodness.
It's pretty cool. It's not often you see a rainbow on the ground. It's probably because the wind's blowing it down. So the weather has well and truly set in.
Happy Irish Day, party people.
2, 3. Oh, look at that. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. There's a beauty. Cheers. 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 We should have set out to get that earlier, but we didn't, because thinking it was going to clear some more. It didn't. We got this tarpaulin, which I must admit was a bit of a drama to put up, but we got it there. So here we go. We've got some beautiful goodness. St. Patrick's Day, but I brought as part of Irish celebration.
You should light yours first.
No, well I can't light mine first until I've done my wee
Well,
cut.
do you want me to light mine then?
I left my cutter behind. Well, it is a true Guinness. This is a Guinness in a can. And a green cigar. I'm doing the same. So, but anyway, now that's a pirate. Are Irish people and pirates related? I don't know, it's just a question. Answer me in the comments below. Good day. Boxty. It's an Irish potato patty. This is the Boxty, Irish potato patty. I must admit, it's bloody beautiful. Got mashed potato, bit of flour, bit of egg, some grated raw potato, and some green onion. That's right. It's a real challenge doing the cook tonight. The wind is severe, as you can see by the sail we have there. I've got the gas on full blast. The weather here is severe. It's not bad though. Experiencing the elements. This is what it might be all about for some. There we go, we've got some cooking going on. Burgers, beer, cooking. We've got the tent set up over there. Well, it's definitely getting dark out and out. It's a bit spectacular though. This is an experience like no other. And then we're going to crown the burger. Woodstock. And look. Not as many white cats as what we saw with the old team. But damn, you know, happy St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, good morning from Lake Tennyson. Super beautiful day compared to last night. I tell you what. So I think with all the rain that's had, I'm not sure if we'll be going riding anywhere today, but one thing's quite appealing to look at. Look at that hill up there. How far can we climb up that one? The lens is a bit dirty. Let's clean it off. How's that look? Yeah, that's a bit better, eh? Let's have another look at everything. What came first? The chicken or the egg? Look at that for a breakfast right there. Beautiful egg. We slice that open there. We'll get some nice good runny juiciness running all over that patty. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, we're heading up there. Be nice to get to the top. Be an achievement. It's been a long time since I've climbed to the top of a mountain, especially on these shoes, which aren't shocking shoes. Well, looking at the phone here and our altitude, we're looking at about 1,257 metres. Not much Tennyson there, but there's a little bit of it. Hopefully, it's not so bad. We're going to come onto a weekend. I think this is a good example of actually how steep it is. Often GoPro don't show that because of the way that the lens works, but you look at that, that is exactly what it is. We're going to see who gets there first. Well, my racer, he's not included in it. He didn't want to be included in it. He's not racing. I'm loving those rocks there. Oh, cool. Really. This is awesome, man. This is awesome. You know, motorcycling is all about riding a bike and getting out there and doing it. But at the same time, there's an element of getting places on the bike and, okay, let's go. I think a number of times let's go is used in YouTube videos. Let's get into this thing. Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's just sit down and do nothing. I'm getting there, but it's starting to get a little bit more slippy. Doing well though. Doing well. It's like being on top of the world. Up there we didn't get to, but this is steep as hell. Real steep. And it's slippery now. And these bigger rocks are making it awkward. I was hoping to get up into between that rock there and that one. I'm heading straight towards that one to maybe go around it a wee bit because I want to see the other side of the lake from up here. I'm too far to give up now, really. If you give up, it's a bit of a pain. Tempted to though. Oh man, so come up here. It's bloody hard going getting up that, but So come off all the way from over that middle there. Yeah, it's hard work. I'm not exhausted, but you know, I don't mind heights, but I don't like the idea of falling, especially on this, because the rocks aren't, you know, they're like that. That's sharp. 1,357 meters above sea level. Be interesting to see how many meters it is at our campsite.
There I can. That's steep.
I think we climbed almost to the top, but damn, you don't realise until you get up there how steep it really is. Well, the day after St Patrick's Day, it's not a bad day to have another, yeah, cheers. Cheers to bloody good drinks and good locations. Look at that. That's just one for an example. Then it goes on your gob.
So where we're going to go next time?
Cheers. Bloody good. Tonight for dessert, next to the Lake of Tennyson.
I didn't bring any maple syrup and I forgot.
I'm getting used to this.
All good, thank you.
Cheesy egg, delicious. It's kind of ironic, really. We woke up we got here on Friday and the weather was like completely crazy as hell. And we've had two mornings of just beautiful. And doesn't the Griso look great, as it always does? It looks great, doesn't it? It looks great.
Here we are.
Cheers. Bloody good.